So if you guys need to flush your transmission and you don't know how to do it, especially on a Civic or an Integra, don't worry, I got you. I'm gonna show you how to do it because I need to do it on my car anyways. So first, get yourself OEM fluid. This is just OEM Honda manual transmission fluid. And I typically like to use a fluid transfer pump like this. Super easy, it's got a long hose and you don't have to, struggle trying to get in there, because I've used all sorts of different ones, especially the ones that you put on the friggin' gallon or quart and pump. So this is your drain plug on a Honda B series. And if you have a Miata, it's kind of similar. They're just on the bottom. And then the fill plug, also the same for most cars. So right here, this is the fill plug. I know some people say, oh, well, you should just go to the top right here where the vehicle speed sensor is. Well, yeah, that's great and all, but most of the time, that area has got a bunch of dirt and it could fall in. And then you have to remove the connectors and all that stuff. And it's actually not the proper way to do it. The proper way to do it's through here, because you're supposed to fill it up until it oozes out of this hole right here. So if you do it from the top, you can't actually see it ooze out, so you could overfill it. You know what I mean? Let me show you what they're talking about. So this is a spare Type R transmission, and this is the fill plug I was talking about. Capped off, and then that's the drain plug right there. But this is a vehicle speed sensor that some people want to fill from. So you take out this bolt right here, pop this off, and then fill it. But usually this area right here is pretty dirty, as you can see right there, so you could drop crap in there. So I don't know, some people just want to do shortcuts, but this channel is not really all about shortcuts. We just do things the right way here. So I highly suggest you fill from here until it oozes out. So let me just show you how that works. So on this fluid transfer pump, the top hose goes to the bottle. Take this guy, pop it in the bottle. Hopefully I don't drop it. It's kind of a pain in the booty right now. So take that, put it right there. Take the other side, and we're just gonna drop this in there, okay? Just like so. And then what we're gonna do is we're just gonna pump away until it's full. And once it's full, you'll know, because it'll all come out of there. For the sake of showing you guys how I do this, I'm using my feet. So, look at this. The fluid's coming in. It's going up. It's going up over there. And it's dumping in the transmission. Hopefully you guys could see that, but this is literally all I'm doing. So I'm pumping from here. This is literally the easiest way to do this. You can get this pump from AutoZone. This is actually where I got it from. And this car takes roughly about 2.3 quarts of fluid. So just go through a bottle and a half, and then, 0.3, and then you're good to go. No problem. Once it starts coming out, you know you're full. There you go. And that's it. That's how you know you're full. Make sure you have a drip pan under. Close it up, run the car. Easy.